Hi guys, welcome back again. In this video, I will talk about View. What is the View? View is a virtual table created from the query. Means view is used when you want to change the table name according to you. Means suppose some table have a student one, right? This is the student table one. Select from the student 1. This is the table name student 1. If you want or modify this table 1 according to you can. Then how you will do it, I will tell you. Here is the syntax of it. To view means see the table according to you, their name, what name you want to give this table name, you can give here. So for it you will have to create here, create a view. What name you want. Suppose I want here student view. So student view name I'm giving here as a table name. Select from the name and the city. I want to see the name and a city as a view in the table from student 1, right? Student 1, this is the view I'm creating here. So now you can see the query. Okay, row 0 affected and 0.6017 second. Now we can see this table, this name. Means how we can see? From this name means student view name, I can see this student 1 table. So how we can see? Let's select from student 1 student view. Now I given here the student view name, that we can use this name to access this table, right? So we can hit the enter here. Now you can see the name and city has been appeared here, means data has been appeared here. So how we are looking this table? From the student view name. So this is the view. I hope you will get understand, but the concept is here to see the table accordingly. Means which name you want to see the table name, you can modify the table name, that is called the view, right? As here up I modified the table name is student, I modified the table name to the student 1 to student view name, right? So now you created the student view, and now you can select both ways, like the student view name and select from the student one, right? Also now you can see the two table name, a single table, right? Now you create it, but you know how you can delete this table, the view that you have created right now. There is just very simple syntax to delete this view table name. That one is called the drop, right? When you drop this the view name, it automatically remove from the your table name. Then one table left, that is original name, that is student one, right? Then how you will do it? Like drop and write the student name, student view. This name I has given as a view name to look this table and fetch out the data regarding to it, this table. When you hit the enter, now you can see here some mistake I written, that we had to write here like this, student and view. Now when you hit enter, now you can see the query okay and a zero affected. It means the view that I had created, now it has been deleted. So this is the view to look the table according to their name, that name you want to see the table that previously has been defined the table name, you can replace that. I hope this methodology you will have understand. And now you can check here what the table view student view is accessing or not. So select from the student view, right? This name I had created. So when you hit the enter, now you can see the student view doesn't exist in the database, means in the table, right? That's this name table doesn't exist in the database. So this is the use of the view, means you can see the table name according to their name, that name you want, right? This is the use of view, right? I hope this video will be helpful to understand the concept of view, and hit the like and subscribe for more videos.